Finally, we have a material to manufacture temporaries in the 3D printing method. Datax is one of the few companies worldwide which has produced a material which is extremely accurate. It's very abrasion resistant, comes in 3 different shades, shade A1, A2 and A3. It's a product which is class 2A. That means it fulfills all the medical regulations. The material is very nice in its translucency. It is abrasion resistant. That means it's strong enough for all the temporaries. And the temporaries can be produced very, very fast. That means if you have a 3D printer like the 3D Light 3D printer, you can produce them in 15 to 20 minutes. And it doesn't matter if you print 1 or 20 of them. Then when you produce them, they're very easy to polish and very easy to modify. So you can basically, if you want to add stains, you can add the stains wherever necessary and do any kind of corrections. We also produce from TwinSmile our testiniers with these parts. That means these testiniers are like contact lenses and you can take them off and on like you see here. More about these testiniers you can hear or read on our website, twinsmile.com.